This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Venu 3 for strength training. To begin, press the top right button and select Strength from the activity list. You can then choose from preloaded exercises or add custom ones. Before starting a set, input your planned weight and repetitions directly on the watch. This initial setup ensures accurate tracking from your very first lift, helping you monitor progress effectively throughout your session. During your workout, the Venu 3 automatically counts your repetitions for many common exercises. If the count isn't perfect, you can easily adjust it on the watch screen after each set. The watch also provides a customizable rest timer, which is crucial for structured strength training. This feature helps you maintain consistent rest periods, ensuring optimal recovery between sets and maximizing your workout efficiency. After completing your strength session, save the activity on your Venu 3. You can immediately review a detailed summary directly on the watch, including total reps, sets, and estimated calories burned. For deeper insights, sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app. There, you'll find a muscle map showing which muscle groups you worked, along with recovery recommendations, helping you understand your body's needs. To maximize the accuracy of rep counting, perform exercises with clear, consistent form. The Venu 3 works best when movements are distinct. You can also create and download custom workouts from Garmin, connect directly to your watch, allowing for highly personalized training plans. This integration provides a comprehensive view of your fitness journey, helping you track long-term progress and achieve your strength goals more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.